Hey guys, so here we go. So, simple concept, right? Towel snap, okay? We all remember what it used to be like, right? To roll up the wet towel and snap our sister or brother, okay? In the backside after a good swim. Simple thing, okay? Works on three things, right? Obviously working ground up, okay? Trying to build power, okay? From the ground up, leveraging the ground, okay? For energy. Seconds lag, okay? So that's sequence, right? Pelvis first, thorax, hands last, okay? And the third is bracing, right? How well can we brace our lower body so our hands accelerate and pass, okay, in front of our belly button, okay? So we can train all those things for less than 20 bucks with a towel, okay? So first exercise, right? We're going to do a split stance, okay? Core pop, okay? Simple stuff. Take your lower body out of the equation. We decelerate your lead side, okay? And what that's going to do is it's going to allow our core and our hands to work first and primarily, okay, at top speed. Simple stuff. Here we go. Okay, a little core takeaway and pop. Okay, we're just going to work in the impact zone, okay, into an impact bag or a pillow. Doesn't matter. And what I want you guys to feel is a decelerated lead hip, lead side, right, and a lot of speed at the hands. Okay, we're going to do that 3 sets, 8 reps, and then we're going to move into the second progression. Okay guys, second exercise. Simple stuff. Okay, it's a right hand throw. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our impact bag, place it off our back side or our pillow, okay? Overhand grip on the towel, big core takeaway, okay? And what I want you to do is feel you pressing that towel off the torso, right off the thorax. Okay, big core takeaway, get real heavy, work into the ground as much as you can, okay? And grow that right hand off your torso. Throw that right hand down into the bag. We're going to do 3 sets, 8 reps. Okay guys, last exercise with your towel progression for today. These are called takeaway, pause, and pops. It's done full swing. Basically we're combining what we did in exercise 1 and 2, okay? And we're working into our impact bag. I still want you guys to feel decel, okay? At the lead hip, it's very important that we learn how to slow down our lower body to speed up our core and our hands. Simple stuff here. Big core takeaway, pause, squat. I want you guys to get heavy and explode right into the impact bag or your pillow. Okay? Again, pause, squat, explode and stop. Okay? Really work on still feeling some weight shifts. Sometimes we can get caught a little hang back here, but really work into that impact bag or your pillow. Okay? We have 3 sets, 8 reps. It's a lot of work. Obviously, you can see I'm out of breath. So have fun with it. And, okay, last step. Let's build some proficiency and practice and actually train, okay, our new patterns that we're working on, that we're building together. Okay? So we're going to take all 3 of those exercises and combine them into a big triple set. First exercise, like we went over, okay, split stance core pop. Okay, 1, 2, I want you to do 5 reps there. Then we're going to take the bag and we'll move it off our back foot. And we're going to do our right-handed throws. Right hand throw. Work into the ground. Get heavy. Brace your lower body. 5 reps there. Lastly, okay, we're going to do our takeaway, pause, and pop. Take it away. Work heavy. Get into the bag. Decel that lead side. 5 reps. I want you guys to do 3 sets of that progression at the end of everything else. And we're good to go. Okay guys, that's it. How simple is that to add 20 yards to your game for less than $20? Cancel tomorrow's high-priced golf lesson. Get rid of all those gadgets and gizmos in the bottom of your bag. Grab your towel, throw some duct tape on it, and it starts now. I look forward to Load Explode revolutionizing your game.